Hello, I'm RJ and I bought this pocket stove. It's a big bad stove. I'm gonna try this today, and obviously I'm not gonna try it in my backyard because that would be lame. So I'm going an adventure. It's minus 12 Celsius outside. I thought the weather is not so good because it's not sunny, but it's kinda cool also. Can't see anything in here. There should be a trail from the forest, but I couldn't find it. So I came to ice and I thought it would be easy to ski here, but there's a lot of snow on the ice, so it's kind of tough. There's a snowmobile trail, makes this a little bit easier. There's also rabbit in here. There's rabbit poop in there. That is probably a fox, right? Or something like that. Small animal. And there is these piers there and there. And I think this is place where you can go from there to there and backward in a summertime. You know, what is that called? Ferry. So I'm gonna go there, and the trail should be somewhere in there. All right. Pretty cool, these wind dunes. Okay, there is no winter maintenance on this trail. Just one small trail in here. That's okay. I have my skis, so I don't need so big trail. Look! I found the place. Yeah! And also there is a big trails in here, and this place is an island. So I went from this side of island where there wasn't trail, and this side there's a big trail. So obviously I screwed up again. That's alright. I'm just gonna go back from the easier side. And now we are going to test that pocket stove. You know, when you're really thirsty and you're middle of nowhere and you forget to bring the water again. Why this keeps happening to me? This is like a third time this year. I have to melt some snow so I can get something to drink. I hope nobody has pissed on this. Let's put this together now, and there is tips how to use it, So you can use small twigs, also like a small log, put it on 4 pieces and then light it up so it burns. This said 30 minutes steady burning, so that's pretty cool. And there are the sizes of this thing and weight. Or more text in here, warranty and what kind of pieces is included, warnings. Yeah, but the warnings, even if this makes a small fire, it's still a live fire, so don't use this during summers when there's wildfire warnings and whatnot, and put something like a rocks under it, so you know we don't want to burn forest even in here Finland or anywhere else, so be careful. The camera's battery died and I lost that part of the footage where I built this thing, so I'm gonna build this again. Let's open this up. Here they are. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces and also 2 of these to the top of that. First this. This is pretty straightforward, just put these together. I'm using gloves because it's pretty cold outside and these are metal. Final piece. And just like that, it's done. Back to the video. There was some free wood outside. I sliced them in 4 parts and they're a little bit too long, so I'm just gonna saw them in half. Okay, the moment of truth. Look at fire! I bet this looks cool in the dark. There's 2 smaller versions of these. Those have like a happy face. But I wanted this big one so I can heat up my frying pan. And if you're thinking, why would anybody buy one of these? I think it's like a very efficient way to cook food. And it's a good, backup for your gas burners. That thing gives kinda good atmosphere, all that smoke and fire and everything. Your normal gas burners, they don't give that kind of feeling. Eggs. With eggs I have these sausages, big chorizo.
Kuuran kukkasia piirtyneen sun ikkunaisin näin. Kuuran kukkia nyt kannan sisään.
Getting cold because I don't move now, so putting more clothes. The food is ready. Sausage and eggs. And the fire is still going on. I'm gonna melt some snow to drink. So very good. Starting to melt. Soon I can get something to drink. Yeah, I have my drinking water in there. And about this invention, I will give it this solid 6 stars. Works really well. I have nothing to complain about this. Who would have knew? Yeah. This is for the next video. Hot stuff coming, so remember to subscribe. I see you in the next one.
Before you go, check this out. You can also use this as candle base. Pretty cool, right?